Fubara will govern rivers for 8 years, Ihunwo says. Chijioke Ihunwo is the local government chairman of Obiakpo local government, where Wike came from. He's already saying it that, look, also are taking the joke. Fubara will rule River State for 8 years and nothing will happen. I'm sure these guys they are very, very mean. They are putting things in place to ensure that they can't do anything. I like Ihunwo, at least, yeah, somebody that has clout. Himself and Edison here, and the Speaker of the House of Rep, Jumbo. These people, Victor Jumbo, Oko Jumbo, those guys are strong people, I'm telling you. Fubara will govern rivers for 8 years, Ihunwo says. That is what he's saying. So Fubara will govern rivers for 8 years, says Obiakpo Council local government chairman. Fubara will govern rivers for 8 years, says Obiakpo Council boss. The Obiakpo local government chairman, Chijioke Ihunwo, has said that despite multiple court rulings, the Rivers State Governor Smalai Fubara will govern the state for 8 years. Ihunwo said, unlike other selfish public office holders, Fubara is completely different. He described him as a man with conscience and compassion, doing the right things and impacting lives. The council boss vowed that nobody would come from the back door to govern Rivers State, saying the people have been liberated from captivity. Not be smart, you know. I'm telling you, this is the biggest disappointment that Wiki has had and any politician has had. He thought he brought Fubara to press him pom like a button, only to see that Fubara is tougher than he looks in his face. Oh my God. So Ihunwo stated this yesterday while clarifying that the recent Supreme Court judgment did not reinstate Martins Amewul and 26 others as members of the Rivers State House of Assembly. He described their celebration of the verdict as a mere distraction, assuring that it would not distract the state and the people. Ihunwo also urged youths wasting data, time, and energy on social media to analyze court judgments to channel such energy to meaningful and useful ventures to better their lives. In another development, the Rivers State House of Assembly, led by Victor Okojumbo, has screened and confirmed 5 nominees to be appointed as chairmen and members of the Rivers State Assembly Service Commission. So also ratified were nominees for chairman and members to be appointed into the Rivers State Local Government Service Commission. So this followed a correspondence from Governor Siminalayi Fubara requesting the Assembly to screen and ratify the nominees. They are Dr. Tamunosisi Gogo Jaja as chairman, Jones Ogbonda, Dr. Kennedy Ebeku, Sobrekon Clark, and Kingston Silvanus as members. So the thing here is that, you know, that court judgment that Amewule's group are jubilating and celebrating did not reinstate them. The fact is that it's a case that Fubara appealed at the Supreme Court about the 2024 budget appropriation. And now they say that events are taking it over because the 2024 fiscal year is over, and now we're talking about 2025, and so that case is now irrelevant. And that was why Fubara's lawyer had to go withdraw the case. And in doing that, they fined them 2 million naira. That is okay. So, but that doesn't mean that they have won. That has not given them judgment. That there was no judgment. It was a withdrawal of case. But some ignorants are just celebrating that they have gotten judgment. Fubara has nowhere to run to. Well, political propaganda is one of the key things messing up the country. I pity Nigeria, I'm telling you. So how can you stay and you are saying that those people have won? And that is why this guy, or his name Chijioke Ihunwo, he said that they have not used that as spending their data and talking back and forth on this judgment, should use their data for something else. They should better go and look for better thing to do with their lives. That is it. That judgment did not reinstate these guys. And there's no way anybody can come from the back door to rule Rivers State. Okay, Fubara is a governor and is going to rule Rivers State for 8 years and nothing will stop him. That is what he's saying. I'm sure these guys are really prepared. Even for the next election, they're really prepared. And this is one of the problems Tinubu has. He thought that he will use Wike to cause wahala in the next election, but it's not going to work. They have restructured everywhere, and these guys are not going to have a field day in the next election. So the only thing Tinubu has is either align with Fubara or forget it. That is it. And Fubara is not going to rig election. And being his last tenor, he doesn't mind going ahead to let whoever that is going to win, and then keeps River State. In fact, River State is going to be an APP state in the next tenor. That is the thing. PDP, APC, Labour Party cannot take River State the way it is. It's going to be APP, and he has planned this so much that these guys can't stop him. They can't stop him. They really can't stop him. He's already on his way. So Chijioke is trying. Amewule and his group are just having how do I call it, living in fool's paradise, living in the dreamland that they will win. Now, that is why they came and now wanting to threaten Fubara to pay them their salaries or they will take action against him. Now, story that they talk. They can't do anything. As Fubara said, they are gone and they are gone forever. Everybody says they are gone and they are gone forever. The question is, and that is the question I keep asking. Now, the judgment, if not that Fubara went to withdraw that case from the Supreme Court, that appeal, because the event has taken over that matter. Okay, why did Supreme Court wait without deciding on the case? Now, the other case that Fubara has that, challenging the legitimacy of the Amewule group as members of the House of Assembly after defection. Why is Supreme Court also not starting that case now? That is the question. Why are they waiting? Because Supreme Court knows the truth. They would rather delay the case until it becomes a court case than to come and pass the judgment, because they want to work on the dictates of the government of the day that is paying them. They say he who pays the piper dictates the tone. That is what we see here. Because the government of the day is dictating for them, they don't want to come out boldly to say the truth. So they would rather tactically delay the case until it becomes a cold case. That is the thing. If not, leave that. The thing is that Fubara knows what he's doing. The Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice for Rivers State knows what he's doing. The four-man State House of Assembly know what they're doing. The Chief of Staff to Fubara, which is Edison here, that guy is rock. I'm telling you, they just don't know how to crack those people. They are very, very, very powerful. Combining instrumentality of personal instruments and government instruments, you know that they are unbreakable. So the pro-Wike group are just trying to fan ember of war to encourage themselves. They know they don't have place again in that chambers, the Rivers State House of Assembly. So thank you for listening, and let's have a comment as Ihunwo has said it.